Blessed morning, dear children. Every time you subtract negative from your life, you allow more positive in you. Our today's topic is subtraction. What is subtraction? Subtraction is an operation used to find the difference between numbers. So, dear children, here I have two crayons. So, are these two crayons same? No. They are different in color and they are different in size, isn't it? So, this is the long crayon and it's orange in color, and this is the short crayon and it is pink in color. So, they are different, but both are crayons, but they are different. Okay. So, what is meant by different? It means they are not same. Okay. These two objects, these two crayons are not same and they are different. So now I hope you would have understood the meaning of difference. So dear children, today we are going to learn about difference in numbers, that is subtraction. So what is subtraction? Subtraction is to find out the difference between two numbers. Here I have some pens. Okay, our previous topic was addition, isn't it, children? So here I have four red pens and two blue pens. So I already told you addition means putting together. So here I am putting these four red pens and two blue pens together, and now we can add, and your sum will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Isn't it, children? So addition means here you had four red pens plus, and the sign is plus for addition, and two blue pens. So your answer, your sum was 6, isn't it, children? So this is just to recall. Okay, so now you have these pens together. Now we are going to separate. That is, we are going to find out the difference. Here you have two blue pens and four red pens. All are not same. Okay. Now I am going to pick up from these 6 pens. I am going to pick up these two blue pens separately. Okay. So already you have 6 pens together, and I'm going to pick up these two blue pens separately. After taking out these two pens, how many pens are remaining? 1, 2, 3, 4. Four red pens will be remaining, isn't it, children? So from this, okay, now let's see. Already I had 6 pens. So I separated 2 pens from that, and your answer was 4, isn't it, children? Okay, once again I'll tell you, I have 6 pens together. So I have written this here. I'm separating these 2 blue pens out. So my remaining pens are 4. Okay, so this is called the difference between these two. These two pens. Okay, so this difference is called subtraction, and the sign is minus. Okay, the subtraction sign is minus. Okay, here for addition we had plus sign, and for subtraction we have minus sign. Okay, so finally 6 minus 2 is equal to 4. Okay, children. Subtraction is the process of taking away a number from another. It is the primary arithmetic operation that is denoted by a subtraction symbol minus. Okay, now see, children, I have 3 black pens and 2 blue pens in my hand. Okay, so I'm going to create one problem with these numbers. So 3 and First, I am going to explain the addition with these pens. Okay, so here I want to explain you the difference between addition and subtraction. That's why I am telling this. Here I have 3 black pens and 2 blue pens. Now I am going to put together. Putting together means addition. So your answer will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, 5. Okay, now I am going to write the same number for subtraction. 3. The sign for subtraction is minus. So 3 minus 2 equal to. Okay, now I'll take these 3 pens. Okay, now altogether I am having 3 black pens. Now I am going to remove 2 pens from this. So I am going to remove. So finally how many pens are remaining in my hand? Only 1 pen. Okay, so your answer is 1. So now you can understand, even though the numbers are same, for here also you have 3 and 2, the second one also you have 3 and 2. Even though numbers are same, the signs are different. Okay, here 3 plus 2, that is addition, putting together. Here 3 minus 2, that is subtraction, taking away. So we have I have taken away 2 pens from the group. Okay, from the total 3 pens. First you had big number 3, and after that taking away 2 pens you have only 1. It's the small number. So subtraction means from first you will have the bigger number and your answer will be in smallest number. For addition, first you will be having smallest number in 2 groups, and finally you will be having 1 group with a large number. So this is the difference between addition and subtraction. See here, for addition, you know, you'll take the after numbers in the number series. For example, first number you have 3 in the mind and 2 in fingers. So 3 after number you'll take 3 after 4, 4 after 5. So you got the answer as 5. For subtraction, you have to take the before number. Okay, that I have explained in the next video. Okay, so 3 in the mind, take 2 in fingers. So 3 before. So that already we learned in the class, the backward counting from 100 to 1. You should be thorough with that. Only then you can only then you can find out the before numbers. Only if you are thorough with the backward counting numbers 100 to 1, you will be able to find out the before numbers for any given number. Okay, so here we are going to do this subtraction sum. 3 in the mind, take 2 in fingers. So 3 before, what is 3 before? Is 2. 2 before is 1. So now you have folded the 2 fingers and no more fingers to fold. So your answer is 1. So from this you can find out that even though the numbers are same, the sign is different. So you should not confuse with both the addition and subtraction concept. Okay children, be clear. First of all, immediately after given the sum, you have to see the sign. If it is plus sign, you have to take the next number, and if it is the minus sign, you have to take the before numbers. To find out the before numbers, you have to be thorough with the backward counting, that is 100 to 1. Already all will be very thorough with 1 to 10. It will be easy for you to do addition. If you know 1 to 100, it will be useful to find the next number. To find the before number, you have to be thorough with the backward counting numbers 100 to 1. To understand the topic subtraction, first of all we have to know the before numbers. To know the before numbers, we have to be thorough with the backward numbers, that is at least from 100 to 1. So already we have written in the note. See, you have to learn. You should know the before number. For that you have to be thorough with these numbers 100 to 100, 99, 98, 97, 96, 95, 94, 93, 92, 91, 90, 89, 88, 87, 86, 85, 84, 83, 82, 81 and so on. So you should be thorough, very thorough with this. Only then you can find out the before numbers. Okay children, now let's move to the topic subtraction.
In subtraction, our first exercise is fill up the boxes. So here is given 5 minus 3. The sign of subtraction is minus, already I told you. So as usual, like addition, you have to take this number in the mind and 3 in the fingers. Okay, 3 in the fingers. So this is called the horizontal subtraction. So vertical subtraction we will learn. Horizontal subtraction. As usual, like addition, you have to take the first number, that is 5 in the mind and 3 in fingers. So all of you take 3 in fingers. So 5 in the mind. I told here you have to take the before numbers. So here find out where is 5. 5 is here. So 5 before 4. When you take 4, you have to fold one finger. 4 before 3. 3 before 2. So finish. No more fingers to fold. So your answer is 2. Okay, as the same as addition, but here you are taking the before numbers. Okay, so 5 before 4, 4 before 3, 3 before 2. Okay, so next 10. 10 minus 4. So again 10 in the mind, take 4 in fingers. See, where is 10? 10 before 9, 9 before 8, 8 before 7, 7 before 6. So no more fingers to fold. So 6 is your answer. So the difference is 6. Next 5 minus 5. So when you get the same numbers, you get the answer. The difference will be 0. Okay, already this I have explained. When you get the same numbers, your answer will be 0. Now let's see for 1. So 8 minus 1. So usually for addition also, when you add one number, you will get the next number. Here also, when you subtract one number, you will get the before number. So 8 in the mind and 1 in finger. 8 before is 7. So you get the previous number. When you subtract with 1, you get the previous number here. Next, let us see what happens when we subtract with a 0. 6 minus 0 equal to what? So in subtraction also, when you add 0, you get the same number. Here also, when you subtract with 0, you get the same number. So 6 minus 0 is 6. Next, subtract without borrowing. First, for fill up the boxes, we saw the horizontal subtraction. Here we are seeing the vertical subtraction. Okay, but the concept are same. So here also first number in the mind, 6 in the mind and take 3 in fingers. So 6 in the mind and take 3 in fingers. 6 before 5, 4, 3. So your answer is 3, but the term used is called difference. So when you subtract a number from a number, the answer will be the difference of that number. So we have to write as difference. So now your difference is 3. For addition we wrote a sum. Here we have to write as difference. Okay. So now 25 minus 12. So as usual, when you get 2-digit numbers, in addition also we did the same. We have to split the number and give the place value. So the place value of 5 is 1s and the place value of 2 is 10s. So now you have to hide this tens place and you have to subtract this. 5 minus 2. 5 in the mind and take 2 in fingers. 5 before 4, 3. So 1's place is over. Now let us subtract the tens place. So 2 in the mind and take 1 in finger. 2 before 1. So your answer is 1. So altogether your answer, the difference is 13. Okay children. Okay, next sum. 78 minus 14. As this is a 2-digit number, again you have to split the number and write the place value. 1s and 10s. So now first 1s. You have to subtract the 1s plus. 8 in the mind and 4 in fingers. 8 before, 8 in the mind and 4 in fingers. 8 before, 7, 6, 5, 4. Okay. Then come to the tens place. 1's place is over and come to the tens place. 7 in the mind and 1 in finger. 7 in the mind and 1 in finger. 7 before 6. So the difference between these two numbers is 64. Okay. Next, number 4. 36 minus 20. Okay, again you have to split the number and give the place value. Once the place value of 3 is tens. Now subtract the 1's place. 6 minus 0. When you get 0 to subtract, your answer will be the same answer. So 6. Next 3 minus 2. 3 in the mind and take 2 in fingers. 3 before 2, 1. So here you are taking the before numbers, remember. So the difference between these two numbers is equal to 16. Next We are subtracting a single digit number
from a double digit number.
Okay, so 85 minus 3. So here you have two numbers. Only the numbers to be subtracted in the ones place. Okay, first ones and then tens. So first let us subtract the ones place. 5 minus 3. 5 in the mind, take 3 in fingers. 5 before, 4, 3, 2. So here no numbers to subtract. So you have to put the number as it is there. Okay. So your difference is 82.
Now it's time to thank our Lord Almighty. Thank you, God, for carrying me through all the hard times and never leaving me and blessing me much more than I deserve.